Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in Southern California. Right here we have an Acra 16x40 engine lathe. The machine's in good working condition. This is a used machine. This has a 2-axis digital readout system. It comes with a collet closure and a taper attachment, as well as a KDK tool post. It also has the brake. Everything is fully functional. Change it over to the high gear. Here the machine sounds really good. With the carriage in automatic. Move it over to the cross speed. Right here. As you can see, the ways are in really good condition. Here's a steady rest to go with the machine. This machine also has a gap. This gap can come out. You can put a face plate and swing a larger piece in it. As you can see, the DRO is working here. Both axes. And that's our Acra turn. Please call us if you have any questions, 626-444-0311, or visit our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you very much.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.